Anxiety is different in each child and provides difficulty in different areas depending on that child. Some children working with anxiety struggle at home, some at school, some with executive functioning, some with self-regulation. Everything is depending on the individual. However, we know that school can be a major component of a child's anxiety. Universal Design for Learning Guidelines, also known as UDL guidelines, breaks apart the process of learning into the why, what, and how, which I find important for students, parents, and teachers to see. From there, it breaks the why, what, and how into subcategories where you can pinpoint an area of difficulty. For example, I have a student in 7th grade who suffers from anxiety and he struggles with the planning and developing. So we would look in under the how and we would go to executive functioning or functions. This can be helpful for parents to kind of get a better view of what they're working with and teachers to kind of see what support they can give to the students as well. So they can read this little blurb and then scroll down and look at the 4 checkpoints that could really be supportive. These are things that the child could ask for if they're old enough, or the teachers could look at and provide, especially if we have younger kids with anxiety, which is proving to be more and more at schools. They can kind of find these helpful tools and know that they should create a scaffold or a model for kids with anxiety so that they can have a little bit more peace on knowing what they're expected to create for a project. The rest of the checkpoints follow and help the student stop and think, show and explain, things that usually would get put to the side or forgotten about. It's a helpful reminder for that. A lot of students, teachers, and parents have difficulty with knowing what they need to help that student be successful. This UDL guideline breaks down and simplifies the learning process into areas where you can pinpoint ideas and find out how to give the correct support.